This is a 500-watt amplifier circuit. I am going to make this amplifier using this circuit. Audio input socket, left audio input, ground, and right audio input socket. This is a stereo amplifier circuit. Audio output, right channel, ground, left channel. The voltage input socket is this, need 24 to 32 voltage, ground, AC. 8 transistor amplifier circuit board. This negative transistor, negative, positive, positive. This is negative transistor and this is positive transistor. This is negative transistor. This is positive transistor, negative transistor. Like the same, there will be four. These two are negative transistor and these two are positive transistor. I have to fix the transistor like that. Need the heatsink. This is the heatsink. I am going to fix this transistor with this heatsink. This is the best quality heatsink. I take this heatsink from 14080 amplifier. I have to measurement first, then have to make the hole, then fix the transistor. This transistor also need the separator and the paste. I will fix this transistor using the separator and the paste. I already fixed the transistor. I already use separator and paste. I skip that video. You must use separator. Now need to solder the transistor leg. I am going to solder the transistor leg. 4 transistor for one channel, another 4 for another channel. Need to solder nicely. This is 2SC5200 positive transistor. This one is A1943 negative transistor. This is the negative transistor. And this is also A1943 negative transistor. Middle leg is the collector, right one is the emitter, left one is the base. This is the base and this is the emitter. Same, I have to solder another side. I am soldering nicely. This is the collector. Another side need to solder. This is C5200 positive. This is the emitter leg. This is the base leg. First one is the base leg. This is the C5200 positive transistor. This is the collector. This is the base. This is the emitter, collector, base. Same emitter A1943 negative transistor is the base. The circuit is almost ready, and the circuit is ready to check. Now need to connect the voltage and speaker input and output. I am going to check. I am going to use this transformer to check the circuit. This transformer is 31031 voltage. First I am going to check the voltage. It's the green one is the ground, red one is the AC 31 voltage, black one also 31 voltage. 31 just 31 voltage. The circuit can use maximum 32 voltage. I'm sure maybe 35 can use 32 voltage. I am disconnecting the AC before connecting. So the AC 31, red one is the 31 voltage, the green is the ground voltage, black is the 31 AC voltage. The voltage connection ready. Now I am going to check the voltage. Connecting the AC plug. Connect the AC plug. That light will switch on. Yes, it's working. The relay also works. Relay makes the sound. Now I am going to check the voltage. How many voltage makes it DC? AC to DC. This is the AC. AC is 31 almost. 31 voltage, and DC. I am going to check the DC voltage. Ground is the same, and this is the DC 41, almost 42, almost 42 voltage. Let's make 42 voltage. This is the collector 42. This is also 42. Now I am going to connect the speaker. Need to connect the speaker. This is the 4-layer base speaker. I am going to connect it. Connect this speaker to the circuit. Middle is the ground, and right side is the speaker output. Middle is the common for two speakers. I am connecting. Middle is the ground. For this case I am using the black one to the middle screw. Connection ready. Now I am going to check the input. The speaker, I am touching the input. Need there anything to touch? Yes, it's working. Yes, it's working. Now I am going to check the sound. Sorry for that, I cannot play the sound for the YouTube copyright issue. You can see only, but you cannot. I cannot play the sound. I'm so sorry for that. This is the audio in wire. I'm going to connect the audio input. Middle one is the ground, and another two sides is the left and right channel. Here is three wire. One is ground. This is the ground. Middle one is the ground. I connect the ground wire. Then I can then connect the left one, left speaker input. Then I'm connecting the right speaker input. The right speaker input I connect. Now I'm going to play a song, but you cannot hear because the copyright issue. This is the volume, master volume. I make this volume to control the sound. This is my Bluetooth device to check. Now need to make sorry for I don't use the power. Need to plug in AC. Yes, I plug in ready. Now it's working. Yes, I'm making the volume. You can see it's playing song, but you cannot hear because for the copyright issue. The circuit sound is very nice. You can buy the circuit and use. This circuit and diagram have in my comment link full the circuit diagram, original circuit diagram in my comment link. You can check this link and get the circuit diagram.